Good morning. Hi guys. I am Shakir. If you are new to the channel, welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So it is Wednesday, February 7th, and today I decided that I've been trying to do these vlogs like from January started, but it's just not working out. So I wanted to like put together all my vlogs that I've done in January and just give you guys like a vlog of like a January vlog kind of thing. So this vlog is going to be that. So it has been quite a few vlogs that I started. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the rest of the video.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading what's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Hey guys, happy new year. Guys, it is officially the first vlog of the new year 2024. So yes guys, it is the 7th of January. Sadly, we're getting ready to go back to work. So my free paper bun, yeah, right here. Tomorrow starts the new school term, January 8th. So today I'm gonna be doing some stuff, or well, today into tomorrow I'll be doing some stuff that will prepare me for work. Tell me why me behave like me amateur, like me a beginner. So I pretty much did a whole explanation a while ago, and all of that never catch on the camera because when I was putting it on the phone on the window, my hand touched the button, yeah. So anyways, as I was saying, I was telling you guys that I've ironed already, done my lesson plan. So this afternoon I'm going to be taking out the clothes, so take out the suit that I have put up for tomorrow. I need to pack my bag. I want to do some press-on nails that I had fixed, so it's to match my clothes and all of that. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be doing that like the last part, so the last thing, because I hear that when you're putting on press-on nails you have to like keep your hand out of water for a few. So yeah, that's gonna be the last thing. When me know me not gonna need for going in the water, yeah, I wanna shave, I wanna like do a little facial, like a scrub, some extra, to do a little relaxing. Wanna do some reading, some movie, just prepare the mind, the body, and the soul for tomorrow. So yes, yeah. So that's pretty much it. So this is like a get ready with me to go back to work. So it's going to include today and tomorrow morning. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna clean my ears now. Cotton buds and some salt water to clean it. See what it looks like.
heard you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you.
Alright guys, so right now I'm going
All
to be
these trials and
deep
tribulations got me tired, I need
just
rest.
some
And I
simple
heard that I
meals.
can come to you.
Hey guys, how are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time it is whenever you're watching this. Hi. So yes, this morning I woke up, well, last night I started my new intro and this morning I finished it. Hope you guys like it. I also have a new outro. I'm gonna be doing like a new banner as well. I think you guys will probably see that soon, or probably already have seen it. I'm also gonna be doing I'm gonna be trying to do a lot of new things. I've changed all my social media handles that I'm sharing with you guys here. So TikTok and Instagram are both Shaki_Bailey. So yes, consider subscribing, follow me over on my socials, just keep up with me. So I'm gonna start off with going to breakfast because we are hungry. So we're gonna eat breakfast first, and then after breakfast then we're gonna start with my hair. And yeah, so this is the damage. I'll show you my hair later. Yeah, so let's go and get breakfast right now.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like a slam in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with him. I know, yeah. Life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Hi.
Going away my old
She's
ways,
murdering
something
you.
that I gotta do.
No such thing.
I gotta get the power from the soul. It's the only way to stand the cold. Only putting trust up in the Lord. I know He's got His hands on it for sure. I know that He's a cure. In every situation, you give me peace. Don't gotta be afraid, cause you're in the lead. I know that I'll never be the same, cause you set me free. Yeah. That's my guy. He won't let you go by far. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah.
Alright guys, so it's quite late actually. It is now 8:09 and I cleaned my room, kind of just finished. So right now I wanted to I don't know if I'm gonna make the entire thing, but I'm gonna be putting up a prayer wall right here. So I'm gonna be doing like the heading part of it, and then I think I'm going to do the envelopes that I'm gonna put the prayer in. Yeah, so yes, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm not gonna be showing you guys that because this is kind of private, so yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done though.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah.
Morning guys, hi, how you doing? It is a Sunday morning and today I'm gonna be doing a Sunday vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm at work now. It is Wednesday. So I did not do a lot of like vlogging yesterday. I've been kind of like rethinking all my YouTube stuff because I don't know, it doesn't feel like a hobby anymore. I usually say this as like one of my hobbies because I love to edit and I love to film and all of that, but when you lose interest in the things you are doing, then it is no longer fun, so it's no longer a hobby. So I've been trying to rethink everything, and that is why for the entire January you guys saw like one video which was actually filmed in December. So pretty much I've been trying to film videos and none of them have been working out. So hopefully you guys see this one, and to just like give you guys an update on like how I've been feeling, what has been going on, and all of that. So yeah, it has been a rough month. This is actually the last day of January, so I don't know how that go. I'm still not get no video yet because obviously this would not come in January. This will come like in February. So yeah, I'm hoping to do a lot more videos for February. Hopefully. I don't know. I've just, it's really not motivated to do something anymore. It's like not even the ideas coming to you anymore. It's like every time I think of an idea, I'm like, I don't like that idea. So it's like me just push it aside. From when I was actually starting school, I did a preparing to go like reset to go back to school. I did that, and I did a next one doing like taking out my braids and all of that. Guys, I have done so much videos, but I have posted none of them because of that. I don't know, just not motivated, just don't feel like I want to post that. So bear with me a little longer and I'll see how best I can get some videos up for you guys that I feel comfortable sending out. So yeah.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.